Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll walk you through updating your Emirates ID in the Etisalat app using UAE Pass for authentication. It's a secure and seamless process. First, ensure your Emirates ID is already updated in the UAE Pass app, as we covered in the previous guide. Next, open the Etisalat app. If you are already logged in, log out to start fresh. On the login screen, look for and select the UAE Pass login option. Then, this will redirect you to the UAE Pass app. Authorize the login request using your UAE Pass PIN, fingerprint, or face scan. You are essentially using your digital identity to verify yourself. After that, once logged into the Etisalat app via UAE Pass, your profile information, including your Emirates ID, should be automatically updated. Go to your profile section within the Etisalat app to confirm the details are correct. This method is often faster and more secure than manual entry, as it pulls verified data directly from the government's source. Your Etisalat account is now compliant with the latest ID regulations. If this seamless login method worked for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.